Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK stamp pickup demonstrator, and what I'm going to be doing today is an unboxing. So this is my new catalogue orders. Let's see what's in the box. Lots of plastic. Right, so the first stamp set is the 4 Seasons Floral, which is from the beginner's catalogue. Got some lovely images there. We have some stamping dimensionals, because we always need stamping dimensionals. And the one that I was looking forward to the most is the whiskey business stamp set. So we have the whiskey bottle, decanter and the glass. And so yes, that's going to be excellent for male birthday cards. Now this here is the Old World Papers 3D embossing folder, and I can't wait to play with that one as well, which will definitely go with the whiskey business one. More stamping dimensionals, because as I need stuff. Right, we have the Comfort and Hope stamp set. So there is some grid lines, some chevrons, a stamp that looks like thread, and it looks like some sequins and some nice little sentiments on there. So that's the Comfort and Hope. Oh, ooh, zany zebras. We have the zany zebras. I am so looking forward to playing with this one. This looks so cute. And this is from the beginner's catalogue, so it's another one to keep an eye out of. And this one here is posted for you, and it's to go with a punch, which is a postage punch, and if I can find it I will show it you. But got some little birdies, we've got the love and the leaves, just a note, a special delivery, and a flower. So that's really nice as well. I'll just remove those because they're that's the brochure of the beginner's catalogue. Oh, you can see that. And if you want any catalogues, then please feel free to email me. I can't say my words. And I'll put the link below for the email address. Now these are the new colours for the Stampin' Right markers. So we have Magenta Madness, Bumblebee, Just Jade, Moonlight, Misty Moonlight, and Cinnamon Cider. So yes, they are the new Stampin' Right markers. And this box here, if you can see, is an ink pad and marker storage. I'll quickly open it up, but just in case you want to see what you get, that's what it is. So it's to store your ink pads and your pens. So the ink pads go one side and your pens go the other, so it gets all organised. I've got quite a few of them, and because I bought some more ink pads, then I bought another ink set. Now here we have some foam adhesive sheets. So these are the ones that you can put through your die machine, and you've got instant foam sheets underneath your projects. So there's that. Yeah, that's it for that. And we have the first of the in colour stamp packs, which is Cinnamon Cider. Then we have a Misty Moonlight. And here are my new catalogues, and hopefully I picked the right ones, because the first lot I went and ordered with the German ones, which wasn't very good. So there we go, they're my catalogues. I have already sent a lot of my catalogues out, but that's my next selection. So this is the Magenta Madness ink pad. Then we have the Just Jade and the Bumblebee. So they are the new ink colours. Now I have a ribbon, which is a shimmer ribbon, which looks really good. And this is the punch that goes with the stamp set. I'm just going to open it up. Try to keep the rattling off camera, so ooh, you don't see my face. So that's the stamp set, the punch, sorry, and that's what the punch looks like. And we have some tear and tape adhesive, because I was running out. I'm just going to take these out of the box now, because these are the DSPs. So we're going to move the box out of the way. And then I'm going to show you. I'm just going to open this up. Now this set of the DSPs is the World of Good Specialty Designer Series paper. So the first sheet is a beautiful, really dark blue motley colour with gold on top, and then the reverse is this green, which has got all the world on it. If you can see, there we go. And then this one again, we've got the, I'll just check the colours on there. It will be the Misty Moonlight of the blue, and then we've got the world embossed in gold. I think it's called. Over the top. And then on the reverse of that is this one here with the, looks like the compasses. And then we have this one again with the embossing on the top of it in gold. And the reverse of that one, oops, is just a plain, like a Sahara sand colour. It's actually got words, like scripts on it, if you can just see. So it's a bit of a shabby chic one. And this one here is a map, and a few people can find themselves on that map just there somewhere. And then we've got the rest of Europe on there as well. It's a beautiful map. Again, you've got the gold, as you can see. And then on the other side, we've got Bumblebee. I say it looks a little bit distressed on the back of it, but it's got squares on it as well, as you can see. It's really good. And then we have the Misty Moonlight as well, with the white. On the back, again, we've got another distressed paper. So these are going to be excellent for men's cards. And then this one here, we've got North America. So again, part of the world on that one. And on the other side, we've got this will be the cinnamon cider, and it's got all sorts of images on it, but it looks really good. So that is the DSP for the World of Good that's come in. Now this DSP is the Peony Garden Designer Series paper. So I'm going to open this up. Can't seem to get it with me scissors. There we go. So the colours in here are Basic Grey, Grey Granite, Petal Pink and Whisper White. So you've got the Petal Pink with the flowers in white on there. And the reverse, you've got a geometric pattern. That would be in the Grey Granite, I would say. Now we've got the Basic Grey on white, so you can quite easily colour those flowers in and do whatever you want with them. And on the reverse of that, again we have another geometric shapes, like herringbone effect, chevron, and that will be in the Grey Granite. Beautiful mottled effect of the pink, and then we have some grey, basic grey with white roses. We have some more grey chevrons, and then another of the flowers. And again the petal pink with different style flowers on there. Can't pick this paper up. And on the reverse, you've got the grey granite and the white outline flowers. And then finally, we've got a marbled effect paper. So they are some really stunning colours and subtle ones. I'm going to enjoy using them on my cards and various things. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing I've done. I will put links below to all the things that I've shown you, so if you want to purchase them from my shop, then you'll be able to pop into the shop and purchase them. There is an offer at the moment if you would like to join my team. There is a special offer where you get to choose a bundle on top of the offer that's normally available. So to join, it's £99 and you get £130 worth of product. You choose the product yourself. It's entirely up to you, and then you get to pick another bundle. So it's either a stamp and a punch or a stamp and dies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be posting on here very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.